हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड और गिवन अ थॉट अबाउट कि आपके नेम का जो फर्स्ट वॉवल है वो आपके लिए क्या लेकर आता है, या व्हाट डज इट सिग्निफाई फॉर यू? Every alphabet in our name gives us a certain kind of energy or frequency. So the first vowel that we have is so powerful that it talks about the inner core of who you are at your core, and how are your emotional reaction to certain situations. So there are five vowels in the alphabet system, that is an I, A, E, I, O, and a U. So talking about the first vowel, an A, अगर आपका first vowel A आता है तो it resonates to the energy of number one. It talks about it is all about leadership, it is all about being ambitious, being self confident, being self driven, and आपके अंदर एक mastery है to lead by your charisma. So you always want to be in a leadership situation, and it's either my way or highway kind of an attitude for you. आपको अच्छा लगता है when people seek your guidance on matters, and at the same time you are wanting from them, out of your relationships, कि आपको ऑनेस्टी मिले, आपको विजडम दे दिया जाए, एंड आपको ट्रूथ से आपके साथ डील किया जाए, is what you're wanting out of any relationship of yours. Just one thing that lacks in an A is when you have your first alphabet as A is you are too impulsive. आपको अपनी impulsive tendencies पे work करना पड़ेगा, and that you when a certain kind of suggestion is given to you, you tend to be, although you are all for positive feedback, but आप suggestion से थोड़ा सा भागते हो, and it tends to put you off. For people who have their first vowel as an E, जिनका first vowel आता है E पे, वो resonate करते हैं to the energy of number 5. And 5 talks about, 5 is all for freedom, 5 is all about changes, 5 is all about being open to transformations, 5 talks about energy and multitasking. So for people who have their first vowel as E, they are multitaskers, उनके varied interests होते हैं लाइफ में, they keep on jumping from one task to another. उनके career changes भी बहुत swiftly, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी होते हैं before settling on to one thing. And then one negative aspect is that they tend to क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में इतनी सब चीज़ें एक साथ चल रही होती हैं, while talking to you it might seem as कि अभी हम किसी और के बारे में, किसी और चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, and then they have suddenly shifted to something else. So that is one thing जो कि people with their first vowel as E, इनके साथ हो सकता है कि they have this tendency within them, but then it is because of multiple things going on in their mind at simultaneously. The next vowel is, if the first vowel in your name is an I, it resonates to the energy of number 9. Now talking about number 9, these people have leadership qualities. Okay, they won't be bogged down by anybody else. इनको research करने की बहुत आदत होती है, very research driven people. Very intense character. They like things, they like to do their things perfectly. जब तक उनको वो perfection उनके thought process के according नहीं achieve होती, they can keep on doing things one after the other. And they are either इनका जो negative aspect होता है, they are either very available and they feel responsible for one of their family members or in their relationships, या फिर they would have the tendency of feeling that they are unloved, they are totally unloved. So that is one aspect that the I vowel needs to work on. When you have your first vowel as an O, आप resonate करते हो 6 की energies के साथ. You are fiercely and overly protective of your loved ones. आपको अपने relationships को अपने पास रखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and you are available for them at all times. So and you also act as a good communicator. आपकी communication skills अच्छी होती हैं, because you are able to somehow understand the emotions of other people. yet you need to be very cautious about your own emotions while dealing with people, क्योंकि उनके moods आपको affect कर सकते हैं and vice versa also. So people who have their first vowel as O, when they are not in a good mood, people around them are bound to be in the same mood as them. So that needs to be worked upon on, because आपको ऐसा लगता है कि when I am not happy, how come are they enjoying themselves. That can be a bit of a jealousy streak as well. For people who have their first alphabet as a U, these people are they resonate to the energies of number 2. Now 2 being ruled by moon, they are very moody people, emotional होते हैं, जिस तरीके के emotions चल रहे होंगे वो उस तरीके का work करना पसंद करते हैं. They are ruled by their heart is what I would say. Although they have tremendous energy and they work on spontaneity, you will hardly find them thinking about what's to be done beforehand. They work according to the present situation. And then as per the shape of the letter U, there are people who are looking for spiritual enlightenment. अपने अंदर looking at their inner self is what they are good at. And though spiritual enlightenment for people, different people can be in different ways, and not only through the regular ways that we know about meditating or something like that. किसी के लिए वो डांस से आ सकता है, किसी के लिए वो राइटिंग से आ सकता है, किसी के लिए इट कुड बी सम अदर एक्टिविटीज़ ऑल्सो विच यू फाइंड मेडिटेटिव, एंड जहाँ से आपको स्टिलनेस फील होती हो. That is one thing. And then the people who have U as their first vowel, they are very good storytellers. तो इनके पास स्टोरीज का हमेशा भंडार रहेगा. एंड at the same time you should be wary of their stories at the same time, because they can end up cooking stories at the drop of a hat, and आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि कहाँ पे ट्रूथ है और कहाँ पे स्टोरी है.